this is some kind of a instant reaction which they have shown. This instant reaction, I think, over the next few days should stabilize and markets hopefully will improve. Now, so far as currencies are concerned, the depreciation of the Indian rupee is happening in line with the other Asian currencies, and you know the way the pound sterling has also been depreciating. So all currencies are depreciating. But having said that, let me mention that the government, the finance ministry and the central bank, that is the Reserve Bank of India, we have been working on this, and we have discussed all possible eventualities, all possible outcomes of the Brexit over the last several weeks, and we are prepared to deal with the situation as it is emerging today.
I don't believe that this is having a significant impact on the Indian economy. We will continue to trade with the UK, or what is left of the UK, and we will continue to trade with the European Union. Now, this will impact Indian banks and Indian companies who have their headquarters for Europe in the UK. They will probably need to set up a separate Europe-based headquarter either in Paris or in Frankfurt.
इसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट, एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट मैं कहूँगा, इंडिया के ऊपर पड़ रहा है। न सिर्फ इंडिया के ऊपर बल्कि ग्लोबल इकॉनमी के ऊपर भी इसका इम्पैक्ट है। आज के मॉर्निंग की अगर आप फिगर देखें तो तकरीबन 850 पॉइंट्स नीचे मार्केट आ चुका है। जापान ने थोड़ी देर बंद कर दिया। यूके का कहना है कि अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो वो मार्केट को बंद कर देंगे, क्योंकि इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी। हम ये कह सकते हैं इंडिया की इकॉनमी ग्रो कर रही है, फंडामेंटल से स्ट्रांग है, इसलिए इम्पैक्ट तो ज़रूर पड़ेगा, लेकिन ऐसे निराशा होने की हमें कोई डर नहीं है।